And a good day, everybody. My name is Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. This is the weather for the lower 48 and the general forecast today. In headlines, of course, we have Tropical Storm Hannah. It's going to produce heavy rainfall for parts of the Gulf Coast this weekend, and tropical storm warnings are up for the Texas coast now. Heavy rainfall, possibly flash flooding for parts of the Southwest, Rockies, and the northern and central plains is going to be happening over the next few days. And yesterday there was flooding in Massachusetts. As for myself, my neighbor and I, we had some shelf clouds yesterday. We watched them and actually saw the tail form for the tornado. I was out of power for about 4 or 5 hours. I'm fine. Nothing happened at my house severe, but this stuff will pop up on you right out of the blue. Also, some cooler temperatures are going to return to the west. I'll have all about this stuff and some more coming up with the severe weather today that may happen in your forecast, and a complete tropical forecast just a little later on this morning. I want to thank all my faithful subscribers and all of my new subscribers for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so. Click subscribe, click the bell, check off all to ensure you get all the latest in weather in any form or fashion. This is the NAM map. It will take us today through Monday, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. This is what should be going on for the next few days. You can see Tropical Storm Hannah right down in this area. Doesn't look like much here, but this could intensify and have at least 65 mile per hour winds before it hits the coast. That's only 9 miles of being a Category 1 hurricane. So, like I say, complete tropical update coming up in just a little bit on all of the tropical activity everywhere. As we turn this on and let it roll, one of the issues this weekend is the threat of the heavy rain and wind by Tropical Storm Hannah. Now, it looks like the strengthening of Tropical Storm Hannah is forecast to approach toward the lower Texas coast. It's going to bring heavy rain, flash flooding. So be aware of this, folks, okay? Now, the heavy rain's going to also occur over portions of the northern plains ahead of a pair of low-pressure systems and attendant fronts emerging from the Rockies. We got a slight risk of excessive rainfall areas. They exist in South Dakota and Minnesota today. Wisconsin for Saturday as these systems approach the region, luring in moisture from the south. Slight risk of severe weather exists over the Dakotas and Nebraskas today into tomorrow morning. On Sunday, excessive rainfall concerns shift eastward into Minnesota with heavy rains on Monday. Now, above average temperatures are expected to continue from the northern plains to the upper Great Lakes through Saturday. Nighttime temps will be particularly warm as lows are expected to bottom out in just the low to mid 70s, and that may be up about 20 degrees above average for the areas of the upper Great Lakes through Saturday and the northern plains. In the southwest, monsoonal moisture. It's going to be a fixture in the forecast as we progress through the weekend over the Four Corners region, though it's not expected to be on the wane in Arizona by Monday. Now, rainfall rates may be heavy at times with excessive rainfall and cause a concern for parts of Arizona and New Mexico Saturday and Sunday, resulting in the risk for some flash flooding of excessive rainfall. Otherwise, much of the western U.S. can expect cooler than normal conditions thanks to an upper level trough. Now, as we take a look at where some severe weather may be going on today with the categorical outlook, severe thunderstorms capable of damaging winds and large hail are expected this afternoon and evening over the Dakotas and Nebraska and possibly overnight into western Minnesota. We got sporadic strong wind gusts that are also possible over parts of the mid-Atlantic during this afternoon. and that's going to include eastern North Carolina, all of the state. But we could get some stiff winds coming in with some sporadic storms anywhere in this green in this area, so be aware of that. You can see Nebraska, North and South Dakota, a little bit of Minnesota. This is where the most severe weather should occur today. Dark green, don't rule that out. And anywhere it's green, as I say, you could have a pop-up thunder shower. So far as the wind goes, or tornadoes rather, not looking too bad for that chance to happen. A little bit of Nebraska, North and South Dakota. And the wind, here we go right here. We do have this 5% chance. And for eastern North Carolina, we do have this chance of some severe wind this afternoon, so don't be surprised by it. Most severe chances are Nebraska, North and South Dakota, and so far as hail, very same areas right here. And that's a check of your weather for the lower 48 today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and I appreciate it, and just everything you do for me. I love you guys so much. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thanks so much for watching.